Hello friends, I am twirling the through Bookstagrammer and the link for my page is given in the description box. So today once again I am here with a new video, and in this video I am going to review the book Scorn of Secrets by B. Truly. So if you like the content, do subscribe, like, share and comment. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Now I'm going to start with the plot of the book Scorn of Secrets by B. Truly. So the story goes like everything was good and nice in the life of Madison Glory until one day her father is found shot dead and he leaves a debt-ridden family with wife Charlotte and two daughters, Tanya and Madison. This comes as a big shock to the family, but within few days everything normalizes, and suddenly one day Mother Charlotte, she comes home and she tells both daughters that they will be moving to Texas very soon because she is planning to move with the real estate agent Regan. Both the daughters, they were like initially they were quite apprehensive about moving to a new place, new school, new friends, everything, but there was no other option for them. They have to move with their mother. So soon they landed in Texas. Regan and his two sons, Johnson and Justin, they were twin sons, Johnson and Justin. They welcomed them with an open heart, and soon they start living like a big family. The girls joined the same school. Four of them, they started going together to the school. Johnson, Justin, Tanya and Madison. And they both, like, as they were of same age group, so they shared a very nice bond also. But Madison and Justin, they shared a very, very special kind of bond. Everything seemed perfect. For whole of the family, everything was going on nicely, smoothly. Everything was nice. The life was very good. Studies were nice and luxurious life they were living. But life had some other plans. One incident and everything turns upside down for Madison. It tears her body as well as her soul and leaves a scar for her to remember forever. What happened to Madison? Who was responsible for turning her world upside down? To know the answers of all these questions, you will have to read Scorn of Secrets by B. Truly. Now let's talk about some positive aspects of the book Scorn of Secrets by B. Truly. So the story is narrated from Madison's point of view, and it's like from the first scene itself, it's very, very interesting and very, like, the pace is like very fast and the characters are very well described. The author has portrayed the characters with great detailing, and which in turns make the reader to relate and understand the behavior and like reaction of the character. Oh, why this character is behaving like this? Like, you can relate to it very easily because of the proper description of the character. And the best part about the book is that author is very, very clear about the storyline and her point of view, what exactly she wants to write, what exactly she wants to convey through the book, what exactly her like concept is. Like, when you read the book, not even once you will feel that she has not done a proper research or proper preparation. You can make it out that it's a well planned kind of book. And the book not only discusses the important topic of sexual assault, but also guides the technicalities of the law in case of sexual assault. Like, I have read many books like which deal with this topic, but this is something like I found in this book. This is something very unique kind of thing. Like, if sexual assault happens, what should you do? What should be your step? Where should you go? What are your rights? How will you get justice? All these things are very nicely described in the book. So this is something very positive which I found about the book. And obviously the language is very smooth and connects directly to the author, and I really appreciate the author for coming up with such a sensitive topic at such a young age. So don't forget to read Scorn of Secrets by B. Truly. There are few things which I personally I did not like the romance side of the book, which I felt is little bit exaggerated and it was like little bit lengthy, and which really which made the pace of the book slow. And secondly, the assault scenes were too traumatizing kind of and I really got goosebumps while reading those scenes. But I think that was like author's perception to make the story sound more realistic. And one more thing which I felt is if the second half, if in the second half few scenes could have been edited, it would have definitely added to the crisp narration of the story. Apart from this, the book is flawless. So now let's talk about the rating of the book Scorn of Secrets by B. Truly. The book gets a 4-star rating from me for coming up with a complex and sensitive issue, and making the people not only aware of their rights but also giving them a message of being strong and come forward and demand justice. Why one should bear the pain of scar for whole life without being guilty. So I give this book a 4-star rating. Let's talk about the audience, people who will love this book. It's an emotional book which deals with the hardcore realities of life. It makes you realize how helpless sometimes we become when we scream at the top of our voice telling the truth, but the truth bounces back. Medicine's life was not easy, but she never lost the hope and fought till she got justice. So I think if you believe in yourself and you're never giving up approach, don't miss this book. It's a must read for all. So don't forget to read Scorn of Secrets by B. Truly, a must read. So this much for today. If you like the content, do subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye-bye and take care.